There's Jaja. Jaja. She's probably about, oh, I don't know how old she is now. Hey, you.
It says 9 months.
9 months? Okay. Oh, you're going to be smaller than I thought you'd be. This is Jaja. Look how beautiful she is. Oh. What a nice little puppy. She's so cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. Hey. Aw, she's sweet. Who's that howling? Oh, maybe Wiley? Could be Wiley. Wiley Coyote?
Oh, I think that's probably the new one, Oreo.
Oh.
Oreo.
This is Bunny on the right. The white, the white dog that's winning. And that's Jaja, the brown puppy. How old is Bunny a puppy too? She looks full grown, but she acts so young.
They're both about 9 months.
Okay.
I would say 9 months to a year.
Yeah, they just got here. Hey! Bunny, you're stuck on Jaja. You guys are silly together. Yeah, they both have, especially Bunny, got a lot of energy. I know, Mudge, it's okay. Oh, look at Jaja. Look at Jaja. Bunny really likes to play. You have to have another dog with you. You have somebody to play with. Yes. Bunny! Okay, I'll take some more video later.